Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is that the universe was created in two stages. In the first stage, there was nothing in the pre-universe, and the basic elements was created. The basic elements were created, and in the second stage, that is also called the Big Bang stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. Now I will return to the first stage in the creation of the universe, and I will explain what is nothing. Nothing is also defined as quantum fluctuations, and the quantum fluctuations is a change or changes in the amount of energy in a point in the space. And from that changes in energy, virtual particles can be created, and from that virtual particles, real particles can be created, and from that real particles, the basic elements were created. So that is the first stage in the creation of the universe. And the second stage, that is also called the Big Bang stage, the reality in the pre-universe was that all the matter in the pre-universe was concentrated in a small dense point. And the density of that point was infinite. And from that reason, it exploded. And that explosion is also called the Big Bang. And from that Big Bang, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. So that is the two stages in the creation of the universe. And in relation to the second question, who created nothing, the answer, and nothing is also defined as quantum fluctuations. The answer is very simple. The answer is that nothing was never created because it always existed. So we can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe was created in two stages. In the first stage, when there was nothing in the pre-universe, the basic elements were created, and in the second stage, it is also called the Big Bang stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. And nothing, that is also defined as quantum fluctuations, was never created because it always existed. Okay, thank you very much.